Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel Try It Yourself. I'm here today with my 2024 Transit, and on the road I heard a grinding sound from my rear wheel. Got home and looks what happening. You see this scratched rim. So what's going on is actually this has happened to me second time, so I think this is like a regular thing now. See this snapped bolt, but it's not bolt, it's actually caliper guide pin that goes inside in here. Problem is I actually thought there was problem with the brakes, but as you can see, brakes are fine. I changed them like only 6 months ago, so still good to go for a long time. But I was like troubled, and the problem is that I think this is a regular thing on the new Fords now, because when I was doing the brakes in March on this vehicle, one like this snapped on the other side, and I thought maybe it's a glitch, you know, anything could happen, but apparently not. So problem is Ford doesn't sell just the guide itself. It sells with a bracket. It costs $106. I just give them a call. So here's the solution for you guys. Apparently, I mean, not apparently, 2020 is still too new model to sell in the auto parts store. So this is, I mean, 300. It's actually, they don't read it in the store. So the part number is 14277. This is from O'Reilly's, but I think you can get it in the AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts. And it looks a little bit different because this is parts from 2015, and basically I kind of like took a chance. So I have two of those. One have a different shape and one like this. So and you can buy this under $10. So just an idea. And another thing, I guess, keeping in mind, if you're doing your brakes, might as well replace that pin, guide pin, because it doesn't last long. And I guess the mileage on my van right now, 348,000 miles. So apparently Ford think that's enough. So anyway, that's the video. And to replace this is basically just like do the brakes. You gotta undo this bolt over here. So this is what it looks like. You just pull it out just like that. So that's right here. That's what it looks like. It looks a little bit different. This part, overall diameter is the same. So this should just work just fine. But anyway, it's snapping actually not here, not on this part as you can see it, but snapping right there. So that's the Ford quality for you. I mean, even though I am a Ford guy, but right here. So that's what's left of this guide, and you cannot buy it sadly from Ford separately, just this part. What a sham, what a scam, what a sham. You gotta buy the whole thing together. So anyway, thank you for watching, and if you have a problem like this, just listen to the grinding noise coming from the back.